Hey, what's going on, guys? James Bill here, and welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time here, please be sure to click on that red button below and go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be the first to know when I create a video, guys. Three things you must do to grow an online business. Guys, there's three things that no matter whatever else you do, how technical you get, how much of a mindset, motivation, uh, or the mechanics, all the dynamics, there's three things that you must do in order to grow your business that's going to make an impact. Number one, you need to be meeting 10 new people every day. You need to somehow meet 10 new people daily. There's Facebook groups. You can go to your influencers fan page. They have millions of followers, thousands of followers. You can go there, and you want to simply, find out who you would like to do business with, who would be a good business partner for what you're doing, and you befriend them. Find out what you guys have in common and what you can compliment them on or whatever, and let them know you like to be friends with them, guys. And you don't want to sell them anything, okay? You just want to be friends with them, and then you let them get in your funnel and see the posts that you're doing, inspiring, and the tips and strategies that you're providing, the value. And then later on you can sell to them. But that's the one thing you want to do. You want to try to meet 10 new people every day in your business, okay? And number two, you want to be sure to email your list. Guys, this is so important. Your list is your business. You want to email your list every day if possible, and more. You can never email your list too much, guys. And remember, if you don't email your list, someone else is going to. So you want to be sure to take this very serious and email your list, guys. And number three, you want to be sure to create a piece of content daily, whether it's going to be a post on Facebook, something on Twitter, a picture on Instagram, a podcast, video, a blog, however you choose. But you need to put out a piece of content daily. And if you do these things daily, I guarantee it's going to make a huge impact on your business and your bank account, guys. And if you'd like to know more about this, simply click on the link below. And guys, have a great day. Until next time.